Top 5 interesting facts involving very large numbers. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Massive Phenomenon. 5 Atoms in one human. Did you know there are more atoms in one human being than there are stars in the observable universe? The number of stars in the universe is estimated to be 1 septillion, as mentioned before. But the number of atoms in one human body is estimated to be about 1027, or 1 octillion. Just imagine a 1 with 27 zeros next to it. To put this number into perspective, the number of cells alone in one human is estimated to be about 30 or 40 trillion, so if we took every human on Earth, which is 8 billion people, and multiplied it by 40 trillion, then potentially, depending on if everyone does have 40 trillion cells in them, there are 3.2 by 1023, or 326 sextillion human cells on Earth, which is nothing compared to 1 octillion atoms in one person. 4. Number of bacteria on Earth. Bacteria are everywhere: your gut, your mouth, your toilet seat, your phone. Almost everything you come across in everyday life has bacteria living on it. It's astonishing to know that we were not always what we are today and came from bacteria-like organisms, but did you know just how many bacteria are on Earth today? Prepare yourself, because it is a lot. The number of bacteria on Earth is approximately 5 times 1030, or a 5 with 30 zeros next to it. It's called 5 nonillion, and it is truly a number to be afraid of. This number is larger than the number of atoms in your body. In fact, it is 5,000 times larger. Bacteria are the oldest organisms that we have ever known, and the sheer amount of them is just astounding, especially when you realize how unaware you are of these microscopic creatures on a daily basis. 3. Card deck number. There are 52 cards in an ordinary card deck. Obviously, when you shuffle them, you are trying to randomize the order. But did you know that the number of possible arrangements you can get from scrambling up a 52 card deck is so large that it even makes the number of bacteria on Earth look like 0 in comparison? That number is 52, no, I'm not saying that angrily. Actually, 52 with an exclamation mark next to it means 52 factorial in math, which means we calculate 52 by 51 by 50x 49, all the way down to 1. Every time we multiply the number like this, we produce a bigger, scarier result, and the final answer to this crazy sum is 8 times 1067 or 80 unbigentillion. Basically, imagine an 8 with 67 zeros next to it. That gives you the number of possible combinations you can get whenever you shuffle a 52 playing card deck. 2. Atoms in the universe versus chess. As you would probably expect, the number of atoms in the entire universe is pretty large. The number is approximately between 1078 and 1082. Just imagine a 1 with about 80 zeros next to it. It's obvious that the number would be this big since atoms build up everything, from rocks in space to stars to the planets and everything on those planets, but what is truly incredible is that this is nothing when it comes to chess. If you play chess correctly, the number of different ways the pieces can be arranged is about 1040. This is definitely a big number. However, if you allow illegal moves and let the pieces move wherever they want, then the number accelerates all the way up to 10123, or a 1 with 123 zeros next to it. This number is monstrous and bigger than anything I have mentioned so far. To reach this number, you would have to take the number of atoms in the universe, which is roughly 1080, and then multiply it by 10 tridecillion. 1. Rubik's Cubes. But then we have this. I think a large percentage of people have heard of the massive number of different ways you can arrange a Rubik's Cube. If you don't know, the answer is there are 43 quintillion ways that you can arrange a Rubik's Cube. That is pretty big, but did you know you can get different sized Rubik's Cubes with more moving parts? Some of them will make any mathematician hide under their bed. The normal Rubik's Cube is a 3x3x3 cube since it has 3 cube pieces going along the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis. However, you can purchase 4x4x4 cubes or even 5x5x5 cubes. In fact, you can go all the way up to 12x12x12 if you wish. This is where the number of possible ways to arrange Rubik's Cubes starts skyrocketing at an unfathomable rate. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, because I'm sure you'll love them.